What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to dispute credit report on Credit Karma. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. To dispute an error on your credit report, you should start by contacting the credit reporting company or companies that generated the report with the inaccuracy. Send a letter to the credit bureau that generated the report with the error and explain what the error is. The bureau generally has up to 35 days to investigate and respond to your dispute. If you identify an error on your credit reports, it's crucial to dispute it immediately, as errors could lead to lower credit scores and impact your ability to open a new credit account or get a loan. When writing a credit dispute letter, you should include your contact information, explain the error and why it's wrong, and provide any supporting document such as a copy of an email verifying the status of the account that's reported incorrectly. It's also important to note that if you don't agree with the outcome of a credit dispute, you can file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. To ensure there are no errors on your credit reports, you can use your Credit Karma account to keep tabs on your TransUnion and Equifax credit reports, or check for errors on your credit reports through annualcreditreport.com, which will give you a free copy of your credit report every 12 months from each credit reporting company. In summary, to dispute an error on your credit report, send a letter to the credit bureau with the inaccuracy and explain what the error is and include any supporting documentation. If you don't agree with the outcome of a credit dispute, you can file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Additionally, it's important to regularly check your credit reports for errors to maintain good credit scores and avoid any negative impact on your ability to open new credit accounts or get loans. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.